Good morning children. In this video we discuss about carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Aim of this lab activity is to prove the carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. For this activity required materials are potted plant, wide mouth transparent bottle, potassium hydroxide solution and iodine solution. These are the required materials for this activity. Now procedure of this activity. First we should select the discharged plant. For discharging, potted plant should be kept in the dark room for 7 to 10 days. So photosynthesis process will not perform in the potted plant. Due to the absence of sunlight, photosynthesis process will not perform in the potted plant. So starch present in leaves are consumed by the plants. Now leaves are free from starch. In this way we can discharge the plant. Now procedure. After that, now we can take out the potted plant from the room and we should select a long leaf from the plant. After that we can take a long wide mouth bottle, long wide mouth transparent bottle. Now that long wide mouth bottle, you should place the potassium hydroxide solution in the long wide mouth transparent bottle. This potassium hydroxide solution absorbs the carbon dioxide. After that we can insert the splitted cork to the wide mouth bottle. After that we can insert the leaf through the splitted cork of the wide mouth bottle into the bottle. Now the carbon dioxide present inside the bottle is absorbed by the potassium hydroxide present inside the bottle. Now this setup will be leave in the sunlight for few hours. After few hours we can take a leaf, the leaf which is inside the bottle that should be separate from the plant and test the iodine or starch test with the help of iodine solution. Now we can observe the leaf which was exposed to the atmospheric air is changed into blue-black color. The leaf part which was inside the bottle will not change it into blue-black color. Why? Photosynthesis process is not performed in this part of the leaf. Why photosynthesis process will not take place in this part of the leaf? This part of the leaf is not absorb the carbon dioxide from the air. So photosynthesis process will not perform. All factors available. Water is available, sunlight is available, chlorophyll is present, but only carbon dioxide is not available to this part of the leaf. So this part of the leaf will not change it into blue-black color in iodine test. So through this activity we can prove this carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis process. And take any other leaf from the plant that leaves are exposed to the sunlight. That leaves are also test the iodine test. The whole leaf will be changed into blue-black color. Whole leaf will be changed into blue-black color because all factors are available for that leaf. In this leaf, this part of the leaf is not absorb the carbon dioxide, so photosynthesis process is not performed, so starch is not present in this part of the leaf. Through this activity we can conclude the carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis process. In this activity the use of the potassium hydroxide solution is the absorbed carbon dioxide present inside the bottle. Sometimes ask this question, what is the use of potassium hydroxide solution in the carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis activity? The answer is the potassium hydroxide solution absorb the carbon dioxide. So we can take the potassium hydroxide solution in the bottle. The carbon dioxide present inside the bottle is absorbed by the potassium hydroxide. And also one precaution is also take while doing this activity. The precaution is the leaf should not touch the potassium hydroxide solution. So you can remember it. The precaution of carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis activity is the leaf should not touch the potassium hydroxide solution. This activity is also known as moles of leaf experiment.